won't hurt him.
Where's this eater? No, stop. Guys.
I have no idea what the heck who's blah, blah, blah.
Well, if you come in and I'll tell you what's going to happen. Okay? Birthday boy's going first. After that, Anton's going to go. And then if Axel wants to try, but we don't know if he will. Okay? And after that then, who's the next youngest?
Olivia.
Olivia will go then. And then Jared, when's your birthday?
November 7th, 1 o'clock a.m.
What year?
You sure?
No.
What year?
102?
What year?
2003.
When's your birthday, Benji?
I'm older
So
than
are you
Vanessa.
just blindfolded?
Okay, so then Ben S will go, and then Benji will go. Okay?
Then Jared.
Now Jared's the youngest, right?
Of the three. Jared's the youngest.
Is the youngest or the oldest?
I thought we said the 1 o'clock a.m. Of me, Vanessa,
He's-
and Jared. He's the oldest.
Oh, he is? When's your
Yeah, he's older than Ben because his birthday's in November.
When's your birthday?
December 6th.
Okay, and you're December 15th?
So Ben's the youngest.
Okay,
He's
so
then him.
Benji,
Then
so Olivia, Benji, Ben, and then Jared, right? Did I do that right or no?
he's the oldest.
Yeah, okay. All right, come on, let's get the
So
camera.
I got last. So I don't get much to wax. Wait, Eli, don't go yet.
Sue, I have the camera. The camera's here.
And the pinata.
Yeah, I don't have. You don't give me a video camera, but the camera's
Keep
here.
the candy.
Okay.
It's inside the pinata.
There's a bunch of bags on the bed. Grab a bed and you can throw your stuff in it.
Lauren and I go videos.
I'm playing at the pinata.
Okay, everybody can grab a bag.
What bag?
Olivia, 2 pinatas in 1 weekend. How lucky are you?
I saw the candy in the
Guys might want to get a bigger bag.
She had a pinata yesterday.
Wait, stand back so you don't get to hit the
No, it's
For
Friday.
you guys,
I
there's
know.
Well, there wasn't a pinata on Friday. You had 3 birthday parties this weekend, Liv.
little babies.
Hold on, I gotta take a picture. Stand here.
Okay?
I want to make sure I take a picture if you take the most candy out.
Okay, Eli, you ready?
Eli, so I go last, right?
Yes. Okay, go
Go,
ahead.
Eli.
Good job.
Eli, chazak yoter.
How many times
Oh.
does he get to hit it?
2 hands.
How many times do you get to hit it? Yeah. Okay, good. How many times?
Sue, isn't this the kind of pinata where you pull the strings at the bottom?
She said you can beat it or pull it.
How many times can you? How many times do you get to go? Yeah.
1 hit. Okay, sorry. 1 hit.
I got Anton.
1, 2, 3.
That's okay.
Whoa!
Okay, who's next?
Benji's
That was a good hit.
Benji, I go next.
Honey, don't let him go.
Okay.
They're beating
Hit
it, they're beating it, yeah,
hit
wait,
it,
wait.
hit it.
Ready?
Watch,
Yeah. Olivia.
Who's next? Jared, you're next.
Wow!
Anton's next.
That's major damage. I don't know if
I
you can.
can't get here.
Don't touch it.
Guys,
Can't touch it.
Let's go, come on.
I got one candy. No, only one turn.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now it's
Who's
Eli's
next?
turn.
Only one.
Whoa, don't you. Eli,
Olivia, stop. Ah!
Okay, who's
My
next?
turn. My turn.
Okay, Olivia, crash it open. Eli, you don't throw it. Put it in the bag. You can collect it. He doesn't get it.
I thought you keep it shut.
Again, have you ever seen Olivia move this fast?
Eli, come on, put it in the bag. Eli, put it in the bag. There you go.
Stay with Mama.
Olivia, I like that chocolate over there. The Israeli chocolate right there.
Stay here.
I don't like those, Mom.
Okay.
I got it.
Stay with Mama. Stay with Mama. Are these straws somewhere?
Ah. Is there anything else in here?
Eli's gonna go check it out. I like your face. Great decorations.
What's this?
What is that? Why is it in there?
I don't know. Daddy?
Daddy, why is that shows? Why is that in her loot bag?
What? She took it from the pinata.
No, I did not. It wasn't even in the Can I have?
Yeah. You share though with Ben and Eli if they want.
Where people have said, you know, the board breached its fiduciary duty to the fund and didn't negotiate a good enough deal. Okay?
Yeah.
And all of those lawsuits have basically lost. Because the courts...
I think it's good. How did you even get to talking to her about this?
We started talking and it came out.
And who do you need? Do you need to find someone that's actually being...
I need to find someone who's an investor in the fund, but that shouldn't be too difficult.
Probably everybody's an investor.
Yeah.